Happy Halloween, guys. This is what I'm going to call my Halloween finale. Out of all the ghost places I've taken you to, the paranormal, this is the grand finale. This isn't the one I wanted to do, but it came in second place. I am here in Richmond, Indiana, at the Veterans Memorial Park, as you can see behind me. And for some reason, I can't get to where I'm wanting to go. There's lots of things to get here. Well, I got my G70, and we're on our way. Guys, I bring you to a place that is very, very, very haunted. It's right up there, folks. I did my homework. Let's get started. It's a little windy, so let's hope my G70 with the shotgun mic will work. But if it doesn't, I've already got that planned out in my head. Today's haunted paranormal spot is a terrifying, haunted, swinging bridge. It is said this bridge will make your stomach drop. This bridge is known for its scary history and paranormal. Over the years, there have been numerous deaths underneath this bridge, and many believe these deaths are the results of spirits. Many years ago, it's also reported 2 young teenagers fell off the bridge and they survived. They claim a spirit saved their life. This is actually the 3rd swinging bridge they've had here. I love to know the date of the very first one, but my research could not find it. Now, what gets me is, before any place I do a lot of research on. And some of this research is done on YouTube. Well, I searched up, I think I found 5 or 6 videos. And 3 of the videos, they were using ghost boxes. And folks, you know how I feel about ghost boxes, right? You know, spirit boxes, ghost boxes. But it's got me leaving a scratch in my head because none of these people know each other. And they were at different times. One was 10 years ago, one was 4, and the other was 2 years ago. And at different spots on this bridge, and outside the bridge, well, different spots on that bridge, they got the same message. Right when they started the bridge, they had a message on their little ghost box that says, "We're still here." When they got to the end of the bridge, they had a message, "Evil alerts here," or other ones that has to do with evil. On the outside of the bridge, they was getting the same messages there too. "Help me, I'm a child. I'm drowning, you know, from a child." And that's what puzzled me, because all these ghost boxes were getting the same thing. I wouldn't say today's video is a flop, although I didn't get to walk all the way across the bridge, you know, because it's shaking and it is a swinging bridge and my inner ear would not let me. Plus, it was awful hard to get footage. My wife did get some footage with the GoPro, and we also met 2 people that are from around this world, told us a lot, around this town, Richmond, told us a lot of history here. Good folks, guys, good folks. And they become new subscribers of my channel. I love doing what I do because it lets me meet people all over the world. Well, at least our little world. I may be making a trip up here, probably might be in spring, to get the Veterans Memorial Park. There's a lot of tanks here, there's a helicopter, there's an old plane here. But that'd be a whole other video, guys. Today was the haunted swinging bridge in Richmond, Indiana. And met some good friends. The reports are just crazy, especially the ghost box. That's what made me want to come out here and do this. Now, did we hear anything with videotaping? No. There were people here, so it was hard to get a lot of shots. Because I don't want to try to get people in my videos, but sometimes I'm afraid today I did. Yeah. There you have it. Happy Halloween, guys. From me to you all, have a safe night. Till next time, come on. Let's get out of here. Now we're on to other adventures, y'all. And today is Thursday, obviously Halloween. More than likely, I will not have a video on Friday like I normally do. I probably won't have a video again until Monday. Until then, come on, let's get out of here. Thanks for watching.